Buffer pricing. Is it really a good deal? If you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how Buffer stacks up when it comes to the alternatives in the social media management platform space, because you want to get the best bang for your buck, right? Well, first off, let's start real simple with the Buffer pricing tier breakdown. At time of recording, Buffer currently has 4 tiers on offer for social media marketers. First off being the free plan, where you can connect up to 3 social profiles. If that isn't enough for your needs, you can always check out the Essentials plan, which runs $5 a month when paid annually, or $6 a month when paid monthly. The only big downside to the Essentials plan is it only offers 1 user. On top of that, there's no access to any sort of approval workflows, which can be helpful when you're collaborating as a team in your social media management platform. Next up, you have Buffer's team plan. This is $10 per month when paid annually for each social profile, or $12 per month when paid monthly per social profile. Lastly, the Buffer agency plan is clearly built for agencies, and the pricing reflects that. You're gonna be paying $100 a month when paid annually on the Buffer agency plan. On the agency plan, you're going to start out with 10 social profiles that you're able to connect, but additional social profiles can be added for just $5 a month on the annual plan. If you pay this out monthly, the Buffer agency plan looks like $120 per month, with only $6 for each additional social profile once you've reached your 10 profile limit. So if you're managing a lot of social accounts, at first glance, this might seem like a pretty good deal. But the question is, are you getting enough value? If you are new to social media and you need to manage more than 10 social profiles, things start to look not as great. But the real deal breaker when it comes to Buffer is if you're an agency. Now hear me out on this. Yes, has a plan that is specific to agencies. And yes, they do offer a slight price cut when it comes to cost per account once you're on the agency plan. But even if you're on Buffer's agency plan, you're still going to be missing out on things you need if you're going to be working with agency clients. For example, social listening. Buffer doesn't have it, like at all. Not a thing. No listening. Okay, no listening. Whereas Agorapulse does include social listening on the professional plan, which will run you $79 per month and comes with the standard 10 social profiles. Lastly, Buffer's social media inbox is just straight up disappointing. They don't have a lot of features like saved replies available for you, and you're only able to use the inbox with Facebook and Instagram. So you're ignoring all the rest of the channels that you still need to manage. If you really want to see or reply to comments or messages on something like TikTok or Twitter, you're just gonna have to log in to TikTok or Twitter. It's only a 2 social media platform inbox. With Agorapulse, you can see all your comments, DMs, and messages from all your different social media platforms, all within 1 social media inbox. So that's gonna be huge when it comes to saving time for agencies who have to manage dozens of accounts. Buffer does offer reporting as well for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. However, it can be a little bit misleading, as on the analytics page of the Buffer website, it shows images for Google My Business, Pinterest, and TikTok, which according to their own page is not available in the Buffer reporting features. While Buffer's more expensive plans do offer things such as custom reports and white label reporting, when compared to some of the other social media management platforms, their reporting is a little bit lackluster. Compared to Agorapulse, where you can see everything from your team's individual performance, to trends in your social media activity, to focusing on which type of content does well for you. Agorapulse also offers power reporting, which allows you to create custom reports based on the metrics and date ranges that you select based on the social media platforms and metrics that you want to analyze. You can even have these reports created automatically and periodically released and scheduled and sent to your email. On top of that, you're going to have access to Agorapulse's patented social media ROI feature, which will allow you to measure your sales, leads, and traffic that's coming in from social. And you're going to be able to showcase this dollar value that you're bringing in using these easy to create custom reports. Where Buffer really excels is its publishing. But if you need anything more than just publishing, such as social media monitoring, reporting, social media ROI tracking, then you're going to have to look elsewhere other than Buffer. It simply is just a glorified publisher. Check out Agorapulse. We got tools for agencies, social media listening, social media inbox, social media ROI. Check us out.